Hey, my name is Scotty, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to sketch this portrait right here, focusing on darker skin tones. Okay, so on the page, just a bit up from halfway, let's add 2 dots for the width, and that's at the eyebrows. Now on the reference, going to compare the width to the height. And from the top of the hair to the bottom of the hair, that shape, it looks about 1 to 1. So in between those 2 dots, I'm going to put a dot right in the middle to help me measure. You could use a ruler there too. And now grab that height and go down. So now we have 4 dots to help us with the big main shapes. So I'm going to start with the hair first and just impressionistically going around the hair here. Does some funky curls and then up there like that. With a face, we know that the face can be split up into 3 sections between the hairline and the chin. We go down to the brow, the bottom of the nose and the chin there. And then it should be down another section there to the chin. Now we can add that outline. So start with the forehead. So we go in from here. That bridge there goes down about 1/3 of that total length. And put a dot where the nose is. And curve around. Now the lips, 2/3, 1, 2. It's about there. That's the split between the lips. Out there. Angle back a little bit. And then back in. Halfway between the 2 dots. There we go. Down to here, that's about 45-degree angle here. We've got the whole silhouette of the side of the face. That's the most tricky part of the whole sketch. Pretty much go in a little bit, then out, and we follow those bits of hair. Goes up a bit, does something around there, and there's some hair to cover up the rest. Angling the top of the necklace through this point, just a little bit below there. So the necklace comes down through there. Some of the funky jewelry there, and there's some loops. The wrinkles. Now the features of the face. And we can draw that eyebrow. And then the nose. Nostril here, just a simple line going up and then down a bit. Now between the bottom of the nose and the eyebrows is the eye. So we go up 2/3, 1, 2. And then we go down this way. That. And some eyelashes, really nice eyelashes on this one. And then we have the pupil in there. Now the corner of the mouth comes out this way, in line with the nose. This curves up there. Muscle here, down the neck. Little curls. Add those in. Okay, got my round 10 brush, and now we're going to do the skin tone. I usually use burnt sienna to do lighter skin tones. So what we're going to do is start with burnt sienna and then add in some Payne's grey and change that colour. Now that might be too dark, so I'm going to add back in some burnt sienna. Also rose sometimes helps to make that interesting, a bit warmer. Okay, starting at the top, we'll avoid the eyes. Down this way, right across there. Okay, cool. We've got the skin tone. Now that's dry, using yellow ochre. Follow around all those curls, and as we come down we're going to add some burnt sienna. So we've got some orange, because it seems to go orange at the back. That's just the lighting. We've got viridian green, and that's going to be this shirt here, the necklace. We've put some alizarin crimson there, and these nice earthy beads, and then cerulean blue for these other beads. Now back into the hair, I'm going to use Payne's grey. And with that Payne's grey we're adding burnt umber. And add those in. And a lot of sections through here into the sketch. And then the eyebrows are also that dark colour. Burnt sienna back into that yellow ochre. The lips here, just to change the tone a bit. So with the shadows I usually use Purple Lake for the more lighter skin tones. But for this darker skin tone, you can add just a little bit of ultramarine into there. We have a nice purple. It's a bit darker than I would for paler skin. And it goes around here, out to the front of the chin. We can go back this way, around the eye, so around the top of the eye here. Then underneath the nose. You can start in the hair and come across. You can add some highlights, and I've got my Uniball Signo pen for that. A reflection coming down on the lip. It's quite glossy. On the eyelid here. In the necklace we can easily do this one through there, and there's a big highlight on this red bead. And that's where I sketch a portrait in side view using those darker skin tones. If you want the full tutorial without all the cuts, You can have the high-res reference and the template as well. Then you can consider joining my Patreon there, because I have all that there, plus a whole lot of other tutorials and fundamentals. We also have a community chat where you can post your sketch in there and I can take a look at your sketch. Otherwise, there's another tutorial right here on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.